guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome to my channel and I hope you guys like what you see. Please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and I don't know, I just hope you guys like it. So without further ado, let's get started on this week's Plan With Me video. So I wanted to show you guys last week because when I plan out my weeks, obviously you guys don't see the finished spread. So this is like the finished. It definitely added more color and that was my goal for last week. I was just like, I want to add more color. So what I did was every day I highlighted stuff as I completed them in a different color. Now here you see that one of these is completed in green or like highlighted in green, and that's because I actually did it on Thursday instead of Wednesday, but I had it on Wednesday's schedule, so instead of just like moving it, I highlighted it in green. So that was like a nice visual for me to see of like when I got like things done. So we're gonna use this spread again for this week. So I'm just selecting images, I got my lasso tool, and I'm just gonna copy this. And now this week, actually, we are going to be in August. Okay, so I could either put this into here, the 29th, 30th, and then I'll probably also move it to August because August, we're going to have 29th and 30th here, Tuesday and Wednesday, so I could just click here and put it in August instead, which is what I think I'm going to do. So I just pasted that into here, and once I like it, I'll just tap so that sets in place. You know what, for the sake of this, I think I'll actually also continue in July. And let's also put in July, that way I could flip-flop back and forth to just copy and paste for the time being. And then I could also add it to August later. So I'm going to start off by putting in my dates here. What I think I'm going to do this week is actually add in the weather stickers. I don't do that often and I don't know why. I don't know. I don't know why I don't do it, to be honest, but let's find my weather stickers wherever they are. I might have put them all together in like one of these things, so I just gotta find them. Oh, here we go. So we got my weather stickers. So let's see, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday is all sunny, so I still have images on. So we're gonna put this for Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I don't know, I could put it like in here, but I think I just might wanna, I don't know, where do I wanna put this? I was thinking like putting it in here, but then I just have to move everything over. But you know what, maybe that's what we're gonna do. Or I'll put it on the inside. I think I like that, and then I'll just move this over. Okay, so that's Monday, Tuesday, and I need Thursday as well. So then Wednesday is thunder. Friday, Saturday is cloudy. So let's see, Wednesday is thunder. Okay, now I could go back and just add in a little bit of color. So like obviously when I zoom in I could like see it, but it's a little hard to see otherwise because I made it so small. But I'm just going to color it in, so put like a little yellow dot for sunny. We're going to make the cloudy like a light blue. Okay, and that's also like a little bit easier to see. I know it's still hard for you guys to see because it's so small, but this like works for me. Like I don't need anything to be too big. And if I wanted to, I could have put it like in the spread, but I didn't feel like doing that. Okay, so we got my days of the week. I'm also going to use this week, where is my sticky notes? So I'm going to use a sticky note, I think, and I don't know, let's use the green. Okay, so I'm going to use the dot grid because I just seem to use dot grid for everything. And I'm going to paste that into my to-do section this week. And then I can resize it. Okay, so that's for my to-do. Then you know what, maybe I'm thinking like maybe I should do this for goals this week and errands too. Like somebody asked me like, why don't you use stickers? So you know what, here we go, we're using stickers. Let's see, which color do I want? I think I want this pink. So then we'll copy this one. This one is just a plain one. And I'm gonna put that in here. maybe that's it. Maybe I'll just leave it like that, like 2 little things. I don't think I have any errands or appointments this week anyway, so. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back to my previous week, and I'm going to copy anything that I did not yet do. Now this is just like a reminder of things I want to get done, but they have like no specific timeline. So I just copied that, and I'm going to paste it in here. I don't think you could turn text, so I'm just going to write it again in here. We'll put in my little checkbox, and I'm just going to rewrite what I had written here. Okay, so that's like my little to-do there. I'm also going to copy down the goals for this week, which are from the previous week. So I'm going to copy these, and I'm going to paste them. So I want to finish a rose gold 2nd edition for this week. A lot of you guys have asked for it, so I wanted to get that done. Now I'm actually thinking of not doing a 3rd edition planner, only because I don't really see many changes for me to make from the 2nd edition to a 3rd as of right now. I think what my main focus should be like is working on the vertical digital planner, updating the recipe book, because I definitely see changes I want to make in that one. But making the vertical, and maybe that could kind of be like a 3rd edition, but not really, because it's not going to be like the horizontal, it's going to be vertical. I don't know if that makes sense. So this one is like a question mark. I don't know if I should do a 3rd edition. Like, I really just don't see what changes I would make as of right now. But anyway, I'm going to copy this checklist, just 2 of these right now, and I'm going to put them all over Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. So I'm going to put down 4 for each day, and then I'll copy this thing so I could copy down just the 4 at a time. Okay, so I got my checklist there, and then the last thing I'm going to copy is this KK printables thing. Now these are just other inserts I want to work on this week. Since I just got my hard drive back last week, that was like a little difficult for me to do last week, but I definitely want to get them done this week. And obviously you guys could see I already did one of them, so I'm just going to erase that and then move everything else up 1. Okay, so that's just going to live there. So that side is all done. Now we're going to actually get to the planning part. Oh, and actually I was thinking of making a digital sticker book, so people could organize like their digital stickers in one section. I find that sometimes it may be a little annoying, and I know it has been for me, to like switch back and forth between the sticker tab and like the page that I was on. So I'm thinking of doing like a separate sticker book, so that way you could just click on it here and then go back and forth like a lot easier, rather than going like to stickers and then highlighting it and then going back to your page and so on. Like, I feel like sometimes that could get a little annoying, so I wanted to create like a separate sticker book, and that way people could organize their stickers by category. Obviously it's going to have like tabs and stuff with categories, so then you could just like click on that and like find your sticker easier. So I was thinking of maybe doing like a digital sticker book, so I'm just going to add that in here. Because I was thinking of doing that. So digital sticker book. So now let's get to planning my days. So I wanted to film this digital plan with me video, which actually I'm going to go into my stickers where we just were, and I'm going to copy these 2. You know, let's copy all 3. Okay, and then I'm going to paste them in here. So we're going to erase these first 2 checklists actually, and I'm just going to move these guys around. Okay, so film, edit, and then maybe I'll upload it tomorrow too. I'll copy this 4 checklist here, and then we'll put it on this side. Okay, so here I'm going to write digital plan with me, and then I'm gonna write PWM, which is plan with me, and then post for Monday 8/5. So they're always like a week behind that they get posted. So like I'm filming it today on July 29th, but it'll get posted like exactly a week from today. So that's post Monday, 8/5, August 5th. So then I have Film Digital Plan with me. I actually wanted to film an AliExpress haul, so I'm going to put that in here without putting in another sticker, and only because I don't know if I'm actually going to get to doing that today. So maybe it'll get moved to like the next day. Wanted to take some giveaway photos for the next giveaway. And then if I can, I would love to go grocery shopping, but I don't know if that's going to get done today either because I'm feeling a little lazy. So I'm going to erase that checklist, and then here I'm just going to write down like what I wanted to make, which is a banana oatmeal and cinnamon roll muffins. So I'm just putting those there, so that's my Monday. Now my Tuesday, post new giveaway, edit vlog videos, edit scrapbook video, and hopefully clean my room, which actually, you know what, that should be a priority task. Let me see if I have a clean room here. I don't know if I do. I don't think I do. You know what, I should add that to like a list, make a clean sticker. So while I just thought of that, let's go into here. These are calligraphy stickers I wanted to make. So phrases, no. Self-care, not really. Like just random other stickers. Maybe it should be under phrases. So I'm going to add clean. Got lots to do, guys. Okay, so since I don't have a clean yet, I'm going to go open Procreate. And I'm just going to write clean on here. Let's see, where are my phrase sticker these? I just like reorganized this the other day. And I don't know. Oh, right here. Digital stickers. Okay, so I'm going to just do screen size. I'm going to select my calligraphy brush. I want to try a new one. So I normally use the iPad lettering original calligraphy brush, but I want to try the Pigeon Letters brush pen. So I'm just going to write clean. Whoa, that's gigantic. Okay, let's make that a lot smaller. Oh, this doesn't have as much of a streamline on, so I'm going to go back to the brush that I'm used to, and I'm going to write clean. Okay, I'm going to turn off the background because I want to save this as a PNG, and I'm going to click Share PNG and Save Image. So then I'm going to go back to GoodNotes. I'm going to click the Add sign, the image, Photos, and I'm going to select that. I'm going to crop it because it's easier to move like stickers around once they're cropped. So pre-cropped stickers, like they're already like cropped out like that for you. So I'm going to put clean here, and then underneath that, I'm going to write room. So Tuesday is now done. I think this week I'm also going to highlight stuff in different colors as I complete them. I know this is like pink and pink, but I don't know. Maybe we'll just continue to add in a little bit more color like I did last week. So Wednesday, thumbnail photos. I don't know what else I'm going to do on Wednesday. Normally that's the day that I go to my babe's house, so I'm actually going to steal this that I had written here last week and copy that, and then we'll just go and paste it here. Okay, I'm going to erase the yellow highlight around it because I don't know what color I'm going to highlight it in this week. So I'll erase the yellow highlight, and that's just going to be Babe's house, so that's all cute. Then on Thursday, I want to choose giveaway winner. Well, I don't choose it. It's like a random website picker kind of thing. Then there's also going to be another new video going up at 2 p.m. So I want to make sure that I tell Instagram about it. So I'm going to write post. And I want to film another scrapbook video. Okay, and then on Friday, I want to post a new giveaway. So since I'm choosing the winner on Thursday, I'll post another new giveaway on Friday on my Instagram. So make sure you guys are following me because I'm doing a lot of giveaways, getting rid of like a whole bunch of stationery that I hoarded and never used. So make sure you're following me there. Like this week, one of the ones I'm giving away is like this donut kind of set. So you get like a little mini clipboard, some sticky notes and flags. Then there's also some of these little flags, like all summery and stuff. There's these little note cards and more like sticky note kind of things. Then these like project kind of life cards, like decoration journaling cards. Oops, I X'd out on my planner with my hand. And then also like a little washi tape. So that's this week for the first giveaway. And then there's just another giveaway that will be getting posted, which you guys see I just wrote down. So make sure you're just following me on Instagram so you guys don't miss out on any of those super fun giveaways. So anyway, back to Friday, post new giveaway, and then my parents leave for a vacation. So I'm just going to write here in like a prettier thing, but I don't want to do it in calligraphy. So parents, I'm just going to put some stripes in here. And then a leave for vacay. Alright, parents leave for vacay. So that's Friday, and then Saturday there's another new video going up at 2 p.m. So I'm going to write that in here. I already have those scheduled and ready to post. That's why I know they're going up. And then I don't really have anything else that I know I wanted to get done this week. So obviously, like, when I have a little bit more time to do something, I will do one of these things from like my to-do list or my goals. Like this one, the goals is ones I could do on my computer. The to-do is like crafting one, so I can't do it on my computer. Or I'll do like something from my notes. So whenever I have a little bit of time, I'll choose something from here and also do that and get that done for that week. But you know what? I think that's actually going to be it for this week. There we go. I used some more stickers in my spread this week. Like some people were asking me like, why don't you use stickers? And the reason is just because I don't want to overcrowd it. I like the more clean, simplistic look. The reason I stopped planning, like paper planning in the first place, is because it just got too crazy with stickers and overwhelming, and it took too much time, and I just wasn't actually planning anymore. I stopped because it just took too much time for me, so I don't want to fall back into that, which is why I don't use a lot of stickers. But I do love sticky notes, so digital sticky notes are great, and I'm happy I included that in this week's spread. But I think that's going to be it for this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, again, don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!